Hello everybody. Today I've got a friend's pair of Florsheims double monk straps here, and I'm going to attempt a repair. Can you see the gouge on the toe here? I'm going to try to repair this and bring these shoes back to life. So let's see what happens. Okay, let's go. Everybody's Robert Powers. 4.5 out of 5. My shoe collection. Some stains there. Let's get a nice lather. Here is the finished product. I'm not a professional. How tight this is though. You can see it very clearly here. I just cut the thread. So here it goes. Now that's a proper mirror shine. They're both done. Doesn't it look awesome? So by the way, what happened with these shoes, this is a Florsheim Castellano. It's a double monk strap shoe. I believe these soles are glued on and not Blake stitched. I believe that's cosmetic. The shoe retails for $100, and I think he probably paid about 80 bucks for them. So this was at a hotel. We were at a work conference actually, and this cut, that slice right there, is from the door to the hotel room opening. Apparently it's a new hotel, it had a sharp metal edge on it, and then kind of sliced right through that. So I'm obviously, I leave in my ditty, I'm not a professional, and the reason I leave that in there is because I'm not. So a lot of what I'm doing here, I'm not necessarily saying this is how you fix them. I'm sure there are other and better ways. I'm experimenting, I'm documenting, and a lot of the times this stuff works out, sometimes it doesn't. And, so this is another situation where I've kind of got everything to gain and nothing to lose. I'm a firm believer, and if you're going to become successful, you do need to fail forward. I think most people are so afraid to fail that they don't try things, but that is really the only way that you're going to become good at anything, is by trying and making mistakes and things like that. So I'm going to try using some acrylic paint to, in essence, fill in the scratch, and then maybe sand it out, buff it, and let's see how this comes out, okay? I think one of the first things I need to do is, I think I need to get rid of any excess material. The one thing I'm afraid of, this does have like a grain pattern in it. I don't know if it's full grain leather or if that's embossed in. It appears to be full grain leather, but what I'm afraid of is by sanding, I'm going to remove that, and that's going to be difficult to put back in. So I'm going to try to do this very carefully. And this is, what grit is this? This is 150 grit sandpaper. It's fairly worn though, so probably acts more like 180. I'm just trying to remove the extra bits of leather. going to use some Kiwi Parade gloss because this is going to build up pretty quick. These are cheap shoes, so don't flame me for using cheap shoe polish. And I'm experimenting here too. I think I'm at the point where the polish will cover this, but I'm not sure. Going overboard. Put that set up. So what do you guys think? It's not perfect. I mean, you can see it's there, but I guess here's my point. If you walked up to these shoes not knowing that there was anything wrong with them, would you honestly honestly spot that, I'm going to cut in a video of what it looked like before. Now also remember I shined the edges of the heels, but these are not leather, right? These are rubber soles that kind of are made to look like leather, and they're bonded on. I don't believe they're actually stitched. So they're not going to, the heels are not going to come out perfect, but all things being considered, I don't think that's bad, do you? I'm happy with it. It's not perfect. Like I said, you still can see the repair. But I think these shoes are now serviceable again. I don't think anybody will notice. Like right now, by the way, I am about 2 times 8, it's about 16 inches away from the shoes right now on camera. So if I stand up, I'm holding the phone at my waist level right now. Okay? This is probably much closer than anybody's ever going to get. All right, thank you guys for watching. Leave some comments below if you think that repair is acceptable or not, you know? And if you'd be happy with these shoes relative to what they were before and, you know, not having to spend a ton of money on them. So, all right, thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Feel free to subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. God bless.